Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody's having trouble with this logo. It's on a blue background, so everything's transparent, and they're printing on a t-shirt. A couple of things. If you go to your color eyedropper and check on that, this is an RGB white. Most printers print with CMYK, I think. I don't know. I shouldn't say that. And a couple of things, I would set your nudge factor on 0, for a lot of reasons. But this is one of them right here. We're going to take this and control, and also I'm going to set my nudge distance on 4 inches. So I'm going to grab the logo and hit Control D, and I'm going to make a duplicate of that guy and move it over. So I have the original to look at after we do this. Now I'm also going to take a rectangle. I probably don't have to do this, but this whole page is this color. And we're going to go to the Smart Fill tool. We're going to take the eyedropper and we're going to get this RGB blue and put it in this square so we can use it in a second. Now I'm going to take this logo. Let's zoom in here. See, this way I've got a copy to look back on. I'm going to take this logo and go to group, and I'm actually going to ungroup all, which I very seldom ever do. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to left click no fill, but then I'm going to left click with a red outline, but the red outline is going to be bad because we want it really blue. So we can go right down here and it's going to be hard to see, but for a second we're going to leave it blue. And then all you have to do is, since the other is white, just go to an RGB white and fill in that area. Now you see it's already done the blue or the group, and then just fill in these areas. And then you're going to have to go back and look at some other parts of the logo, like right there. Now, I think everything else is good, but we need to change that outline to a blue, I'm thinking. So we're going to grab all this, and I'm just going to Control D and make a duplicate of the whole thing again so we know about it. And then I'm going to grab this, and maybe I'll grab the whole thing and go right here to the pen tool, and I'm going to go to this color. Whoop. And I'm going to take the eyedropper tool and I'm going to make the outline blue and then hit OK. And then I'm going to nudge it back. Whoop. So now everything should be correct. You don't probably even need that outline anymore. Let's see what happens if we do that. Let's double click on the outline and put none. But I don't think it's correct. Because on here you can see the blue lines which are already there. So now let's nudge it back closer to it and look at the two logos side by side. And I would really pay attention to make sure you've got everything. Like this is white with a blue outline. You know, the group is transparent, and it's kind of hard to tell it's transparent because everything's blue. So let's try the yellow box trick and put it to the back of the page and bring it over in front of our logo, and everything that's blue now should turn yellow. So everything that is white, everything that is yellow is going to be blue. So we're good to go. You got those blue lines and everything. It's kind of hard to tell with the whole screen being blue sometimes. That's not a bad idea. I always create a box. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.